Drag Me Down by One Direction. This is a great song to listen, enjoy, and also to learn English. And this is what we're going to do today, guys. Today we're going to take some phrases from the lyrics of this beautiful song to learn this beautiful language. Are you ready? If yes, then smash that like button for YouTube algorithm, and let's go in just 3, 2, 1. Let's begin this class.
I've got fire for a heart, I'm not scared of the dark.
So the first lines, guys, are I've got fire for a heart, I'm not scared of the dark. And that simply doesn't mean a lot of things. It just means that he or they have got some passion in their life. Maybe the love for a girl, maybe love for something else. I believe it's love for some girl in this song. And this is what keeps them going. This is what keeps fire in their heart, and they are not scared of anything in their life because of this fire.
You've never seen it look so easy.
You've never seen it look so easy. This means that in your life, like not your life, but in the life of that girl they're singing to, it never was so easy. I believe that their relationships are going to be easy to begin, probably. I'm not sure what this sentence is about, but I believe that they are singing that it never looked that easy as it is now for them, for that guy and that girl.
I got a river for a soul, and baby you're a boat.
I've got a river for a soul, and baby you are a boat. This means that there is some river for his soul. It's not literally, it's figuratively. And she is a boat for him. So she's going to save him from this river, right? There is like a huge river for his soul where he is drowning. But the girl is a boat. So he is going to get into the boat and he's not going to drown. She is going to save him from drowning in his soul, or his soul from drowning.
Baby, you're my only reason.
Baby, you are my only reason. This does not mean a lot either. This simply means that she is the only reason that keeps him going. The only thing that saves him in his life from loneliness or from drowning in that figurative river or something like that. I got no idea what exactly, but she is his only reason to live this life. Probably.
If I didn't have you, there would be nothing left.
Alright, and here's an explanation for the previous line, right? If I didn't have you, there would be nothing left for me, right? So he means that the only good thing, the only thing that's worth living in his life is her. And if he didn't have her, then in his life there would be just nothing left. Nothing good would be left in his life.
The shell of a man that could never be his best.
The shell of a man that could never be his best. What does this mean, guys? It means that without that girl, without that woman, I don't know, he would never ever become his best. He's just a shell of a man. Shell of a man is like cover. He's like cover of some man that would never become his best. He would never become the best he could without her. But she keeps him moving forward, keeps him becoming better, best, and so on.
If I didn't have you, I'd never see the sun.
If I didn't have you, I'd never see the sun. And it's not literally if he didn't have her, he would not see the sun. It's not like necessary other people to see the sun. So here he means it figuratively. He would never see, he would never have anything good in his life. He would never see something beautiful if he didn't have her.
You taught me how to be someone.
You taught me how to be someone. And this is like the supporting line of everything that we have been taking before, right? So he was thinking like without her he's nothing, without her he would never see the sun, his life would be awful. And now he says that she taught him how to be someone. So before her, he was like no one, and now when he has her, she's like teaching him how to become someone better than he was before, than he used to be. So like before he probably was like nobody, and now he's someone. He is getting better, he's becoming better just because of that girl. He's teaching him how to do that.
Yeah. All my life you stood by me when no one else was ever behind me.
And now we have all my life you stood by me when no one else was ever behind me. This one means that she helped him in the situations when nobody else helped him out. So his relatives, his friends would just drop him and never ever help him in some bad and hard situations. And she really helped him. She was the one that helped him out in all of those situations. She stood by him. To stand by is to help somebody out.
All these lights, they can't blind me. With your love, nobody can drag me down.
All these lights, they can't blind me. With your love, nobody can drag me down. So those lights can't blind me. They cannot make me blind, right? It means that there are some troubles, there are some mistakes in his life, there are some problems, and they are not going to break him. They're not going to blind me, because with her life, nobody can break him, nobody can drag him down. To drag you down means to not let you grow, to not let you become better, but make you become worse and drag you down to the bottom.
Nobody can drag me down.
And the chorus, nobody can drag me down. There's nothing to talk about, it's just the continuing of the previous line. So because of her, nobody can drag him down to the bottom, and he's going to still be growing and becoming a better man. So nobody can drag me down means that nobody in the world can stop me of growing and cannot make me go down to the bottom of the life, right? For the rest of the song, this lyric is just repeating itself, so there is nothing more I can teach you guys about this song. I hope that you like this video, and now please do not stop learning English on this moment. Click on one of these videos that you can see on the screen right now, over here or over here, and keep learning this beautiful language with me. And I hope to see you soon, everybody. Bye bye.